Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Sandisk Desk Drive 8TB, a high-capacity storage solution designed for desktop computers. We'll explore its design, features, performance, and whether it's the right choice for your storage needs. Let's start with the design. The Sandisk Desk Drive 8TB is impressively compact, unlike traditional bulky desktop drives. It measures just 99.2 mm by 99.2 mm by 40.2 mm and weighs 268 grams, making it easy to place on your desk or tuck away neatly. The design is simple yet functional, with a USB Type-C connection for fast data transfer and an AC power socket for reliable performance. Moving on to features, this drive packs a punch with its 8TB storage capacity. Ideal for handling large-scale projects like 3D modeling, video editing, and extensive file archiving. It boasts impressive read speeds of up to 1000 Mbps and write speeds up to 900 Mbps, significantly faster than traditional HDDs. It comes pre-formatted in exFAT for cross-platform compatibility and supports easy reformatting to suit your specific needs. In terms of performance, the Sandisk Desk Drive 8TB shines. We ran several benchmarks including Crystal Disk Mark and Asia tests, consistently achieving high transfer rates that exceed typical HDD speeds. Whether you're transferring large image files or editing 4K videos, this drive handles it all without lag or slowdowns. Using the drive is straightforward. It's plug and play for most systems, whether you're on a Mac or PC. It supports backup solutions like Time Machine on Mac and Acronis True Image on PC, ensuring your data is always secure. The absence of bundled security software is a minor drawback, but it's offset by its reliability and performance. To wrap it up, the Sandisk Desk Drive 8TB delivers on its promise of speed, capacity, and reliability. Whether you're a creative professional needing seamless workflow or a home user looking to expand your storage, this drive ticks all the boxes. With its compact size and impressive performance, it's a solid investment for anyone in need of high-speed desktop storage. That concludes our review of the Sandisk Desk Drive 8TB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Let us know your thoughts and if you've used this drive yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy computing.